Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attractive, all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. There could be a global government again, but it requires God consciousness in terms of God being the ultimate inheritor, the cause, the controller, and ultimate possessor. There tends to be either the religious model of protection and providing for women, or the leaving them open to exploiting or abusing model of secular societies. Everyone needs to personally assess risk, defend, and should rely on God and the means by which God's servants protect. Needs void without deity. Learn to distinguish between matter and spirit. Neither being wealthier or poorer is needed to become God conscious. We should direct our pleasure towards the pleasure of God. Culture begins in the noble society. That proves itself in its character beyond forms. There are differences between the spiritual classes and the secular. Versions. Non-awareness is not non-existence. God is entirely spiritual, but he is even more known physically than beings that must required that must that are going to have to or have physically reincarnated. Just as water is his vehicle, Narayana, so is God presenced in the revealed chants. These revealed scriptures will grant what invented ways will miss. When we read scriptures, we come across examples to follow. The ones to receive the scripture and properly pass on the tradition were to be on the inspired way rather than their own desires. It is not just that we chant and buy media, but that we build our spiritual strength and understanding. The mind is as a chariot, and the body is as its horses. The religion is like an experimental science. A devotee will experience what others won't. When we utilize our sense of reality toward the ultimate reality, or God consciousness, we're successful in life, even without a personal vision. Purify your eyes to witness God in all things. Freedom misused can be a deeper sort of slavery. There's a lot of people out there saying, "Oh, I'm not a slave. I hurt myself and chant the name of this thing. But no, it's not even worship." It's like, okay. Gira srutaya puspanya madogandhyana burina matna chunmathetadmana sammohyantu haradevisha. the words of the scriptures are flowery with scent of honey, profusely enchanting, and whose minds become dull, let them remain attached and envious of the Lord. And fruitive activities are supposed to be this thing here that dulls the mind. But let's get beyond the clothes of the scripture, the wonderful patterns that is in revealed and in inspired scriptures, to the commandments, or the body. And even more so, let us get to the spirit of it all, the consciousness underlying these forms and principles. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Experience from the highest to the lowest vibrations the spiritual formulas that you employ. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.